Manya Sharma and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Just to save time, I've measured my ingredients already. This is 2 cup all-purpose flour. This is half cup milk, 1 large egg, half teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoon sugar, half tablespoon instant dry yeast and 3 spoons melted butter. So we will start by mixing half teaspoon salt in the flour and we'll just give it a quick mix so that it mixes well. Now we'll take a new bowl and add half a cup of warm milk, 1 large egg, 3 spoons of sugar, half tablespoon instant dry yeast and 2 spoons melted butter. We'll give it a quick mix. We'll whisk it so that all the ingredients are incorporated together and we will leave it aside for 5 minutes. Now we'll mix our wet ingredients into our flour mix slowly. We'll get a soft and a sticky mixture. Once incorporated together, we'll just quickly use our hands to mix this well. Now we'll dust a little flour, take our dough out and knead it with hands with the help of our heel. We'll push the dough and then get it back again, push, fold and back again. We'll keep doing this for another 5 to 7 minutes. So once our dough stops sticking to our hand and it's pretty soft, see this is the consistency, that's when we know our dough is ready. Please do not overmix because that will give you a very lousy dough. Now once our dough is ready, we'll take a bowl and then we'll grease it. We'll place the dough inside, cover it with a cling wrap and we'll let it rest for another half an hour to 1 hour depending on the temperature and we'll let it rise. So it's been an hour and as you can see the size of the dough has doubled. It has risen pretty well. See. Now we will punch the dough down. Take it out. First we will just dust some flour. Now we are going to roll the dough so that we can cut it and shape it. Very lightly roll the dough. Just make sure you dust the surface properly so that the dough doesn't stick. Don't roll it too thin. It should be at least half an inch in height. Once we have rolled it to like half an inch thick dough, now we will take, I have a donut cutter, but if you don't have this, do not worry, you can take any ring and start shaping your donuts. So now we will just remove these ones in the middle. So once we have done this, we will leave them for proving for at least 1 hour or maybe depending on where you are and your temperature. This basically has to double up in the size and once that's done, we know that it's ready to fry. Now that we have fried our donuts, we will now dress them up. This is melted chocolate, this is colorful confetti, this is cinnamon and brown sugar. We will dip the donut into the melted chocolate. Let the excess chocolate fall down. And then just add some nice sprinklers to make it colorful and attractive.